They say the future starts in garages. It crawls until it walks. It modifies, and it always pushes the limit. It starts as a hobby, then it takes off. In the future, looks like the future. And we believe the future is made in America, the land of the free, in the home of the builder. But the future has to be built. It has to be flown. It has to be sailed, pioneered, launched. It's bent, milled, cut. And it's built by you. SendCutSend, helping you build the future.